Okay, so we have to be kind of quiet, but right now they're going through the ceremony and they're having the upside crown placed on their head right now. So that means my scene is coming up soon. Good morning. So it's 7:30 and I'm about to head to the studio soon. I have to get ready. But you're gonna follow me around today because we have an open house at my academy. And I'm gonna try to input some clips of the entire thing. So stay tuned, and the next time you see me, we'll be out the door and walking to the studio. So it's 7:47 and I showered and put in some contacts. And right now we're walking outside, heading to the studio. It's only a short minute walk, but I'm gonna try to run across the street. And we'll talk when I get back. So, I need to get my makeup and all of that's at the studio. Hey, reppin' UCLA. It's a 1 to 3 performance, so only 2 hours. And it involves storytelling, a crowning ceremony, and whatnot. With that, I'm gonna keep walking, get to the studio, and we'll see what happens next. So I got to the studio, and the studio's not open yet, but look who came. What's your name?
Your favorite.
So I'm at the studio right now, and I'm about to get my makeup done for today.
Nobody cares.
Sister said what?
Nobody cares about your vlogging. Can you not? Like, you're embarrassing me.
Sis, the OG of vloggers. Anyways, I'm gonna get my makeup done. So I just finished my makeup, sis, and it's, I don't know, oh, it's 9:30-ish. Oh, thank you. And we're about to tea, but it's a little bit like 3 hours until we perform.
It's a little bit poppin'.
Yeah, it's a little poppin'.
Okay, now I gotta blend that blush more.
That's how you get your kick to the back really high, y'all. What are your tips for a good performer?
Eat, sleep, repeat. Don't think, just do it. You think about it, you'll mess up. Have a clear mind. Literally. Like, sometimes I daydream, but that's just me. So.
You heard it first, y'all. So, I'm wearing a kind of like terracotta brownish, very warm tone with shimmer, no liner, inner corner highlight, but we're getting close to showtime and I'm getting costumed. The queen herself is also getting costumed. I'm touched.
Do you know where to take? Oh, right here. Right here. All right. Cool. Can I see that microphone?
So we're basically heading up to show. It's 12 o'clock right now, and I'm halfway through my costume, as you can see. Yeah. Costuming. Made a little jewelry here and 2 little bracelets, but we're almost done. Jewelry's on. T-minus 1 hour till showtime. So for this segment of the video, we have Kanya Aug, who's doing costuming right here for Victoria Ung, and she's basically finishing and sewing in the finishing touches on the costuming. So we have here she doing the Sai Chiang, which is the metal kind of like bracelet kind of looking thing that's going across her chest and around the back of her neck. And she's just pinning it to this cloth sheet, so the red cloth sheet. And over here we have Kanya Auk again doing costuming on Courtney Pom, who is dancing the role of Mira. And the costume has this like very intricate belt and chest piece that kind of like hangs and crosses. Also, it's like a matching piece, and here you have these matching. It's 30 minutes until showtime, and I just finished the finishing touches on my costume. We added this wheel from the Asana head crown, just right there. It's one of those. It's like a detachment, and we just added it to my costume right here. And then we have these chains, and with that, I think we're done. So we're just waiting for this. We're just waiting for show to start. We're cleaning up the studio. We have music playing. Our food is. Love that. So I'm in the back room right now. Oof. Okay, we're starting to have guests come in soon. I just applied lipstick, so that means our completed look is done. Kind of nervous actually. I have to do a little speaking segment talking about the piece that I co-created with my friend who just walked out. But yeah, we're gonna have fun. Ooh, my art design right there.
and this concludes the event. Step and feet are outside. Have some food. I'm starving. Thank you for tuning into my vlog today. So with that, we're concluding it. Signing off, Chakra.
Soraya, be Randy.